In our today's video we are going to learn, how can we use debt consolidation strategy to reduce our debt? So let's go. Debt consolidation can be an effective strategy for managing and reducing debt. It involves combining multiple debts into a single loan or payment plan, which can simplify your finances and potentially lower your overall interest rate. Here are some debt consolidation strategies you can consider. 1. Personal loan. Apply for a personal loan from a bank, credit union, or online lender to pay off your existing debts. This way, you'll have a single loan with a fixed interest rate and a structured repayment plan. 2. Balance transfer credit card. Transfer high-interest credit card balances to a new credit card with a low or 0% introductory interest rate. This allows you to consolidate your credit card debt and potentially save on interest charges during the promotional period. 3. Home equity loan or line of credit. If you own a home and have equity built up, you may be able to borrow against it to pay off your debts. A home equity loan or line of credit usually offers lower interest rates, but be cautious since it puts your home at risk if you can't repay the loan. 4. Debt Management Plan, DMP. Enroll in a DMP offered by a nonprofit credit counseling agency. They negotiate with creditors on your behalf to lower interest rates and consolidate your debts into a single monthly payment. 5. Debt consolidation companies. Consider working with a reputable debt consolidation company. They negotiate with your creditors, consolidate your debts, and provide you with a single monthly payment. Be cautious and research thoroughly to ensure you choose a legitimate and trustworthy company. Regardless of the debt consolidation strategy you choose, here are some additional tips to effectively manage and reduce your debt. Creating a budget. Track your income and expenses to better understand your financial situation and identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Increase your income. Look for ways to boost your income, such as taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or starting a side business. The extra money can be used to pay off debt more quickly. Minimize new debt. Avoid taking on new debt while you're working on reducing your existing debt. Practice disciplined spending and focus on living within your means. Pay more than the minimum. Whenever possible, pay more than the minimum required payment on your debts. This allows you to reduce the principal balance faster, saving you money on interest in the long run. Seek professional advice. If you're struggling to manage your debt, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor or credit counseling agency. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation. Remember, debt consolidation is just one strategy, and it's essential to evaluate your options carefully and choose the approach that aligns with your financial goals and circumstances.